You can have the best content and the strongest backlinks in the world, but if Google refuses to index your pages, your organic revenue is zero. In 2026, we aren't fighting for rankings anymore. We're fighting just to get into the game. Tens of thousands of pages are getting stuck in indexing limbo overnight. Google Search Console is lagging. With weekly updates and sample caps, you're flying blind. I've partnered with SEMrush to give you an exclusive 14-day free trial of SEMrush One. Use the link in my bio to get the real-time technical intelligence that GSC's 1,000 URL limit simply can't provide. There is a new invisible crawl tax hitting your site. AI bots from OpenAI, Perplexity, and the new Google agent are competing for the same server resources Googlebot uses to find your content. If your server is overwhelmed by AI training bots, Googlebot will simply leave, leaving your new pages discovered but not indexed. Indexing is no longer a technical nice-to-have. It is your most urgent pipeline bottleneck. I use the log file analyzer in SEMrush One to see exactly how Googlebot is allocating my crawl budget versus these AI agents. While GSC updates once a week, SEMrush position tracking gives me daily signals. If a page drops out of the index, I know in 24 hours, not 7 days. This is how you manage a site at scale without losing 50% of your visibility to a silent de-indexing event. If your pages aren't in the index, your content is just expensive digital noise. Stop flying blind with Search Console's delays. Grab my exclusive 14-day SEMrush One trial below and run a full log file analysis today. Don't let your brand stay invisible. I'll see you in the next one.